story talaga.
Oh, then she was there, di ba? Then she was there.
Iba kasi yung palace stories eh. Parang nagbaka si Presidente, nagbaka siya yung mga spokesperson.
Anyway, this is again. Sorry? Wait, let me answer that first. Pagpasensya nyo po kami dahil kami bago pa lamang, especially ako. I've already asked for a spokesperson. Pinaghahanda pa lang. I've already gotten one. That was still finalizing it. But I promise you that because we really need to have access to more than one spokesperson. And that's really necessary. We will try to provide and the other spokesperson. And it's not, I promise to be available every day. It is really a shock to me. It is really a shock to me, pati Sandy. In fact, I asked Brian, pati Sandy, may no, not yet. I have to get the approval of,
Pero how many?
More than
Mga ilan
we're discussing it. We're discussing
Sir,
it.
iba pa to sa media group. Ano magiging
No. Now, we don't know yet the final structure of the communication through